Assalamu alaikum and good morning dear kids. I'm your teacher Hamna Awais with another reading lesson of Hansel and Gretel. Dear kids, as you all know, we are staying home because of coronavirus. So you all have to eat healthy food like milk, yogurt, vegetables and fruits to keep yourself safe from the virus. Dear kids, eat healthy and live healthy. Okay students, now switch on the lights of your brain. We are going to play a game. I will show you some words which are in jumbled form. You will rearrange the letters and get some meaningful words. Let's start our game. Your first word is, yes kids, rearrange the letters. Yes, it's like. The next word is, rearrange the letters. Yes, it's there. Look at the next word please. Dear kids, आपने ये जो सारे वर्ड्स है ना हैंसल एंड ग्रेटल की जब रीडिंग की थी ना पेज नंबर 2 की, तो उसमें सारे वर्ड्स आपने रीड किए थे. सो इट्स इजी फॉर यू ना. रीअरेंज द लेटर्स. यस यू आर राइट, इट्स मदर. नाउ हियर इज द लास्ट वर्ड. Oh, this word has so many letters. Rearrange the letters. It's dangerous. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay kids, let's see what Hansel and Gretel are doing. As you can see, it's night time, so there is a moon and stars. There is an owl also. Oh, what is this? It's a wolf. Oh, I can see a big scary snake too. Dear kids, I think Hansel and Gretel are in trouble now. It seems they are in jungle. Please open the page number 3 of your book and find, is it really so? Let's read the lines with me. One night, Hansel and Gretel lose their way in the woods. Read again with me. One night, Hansel and Gretel lose their way in the woods. Okay, dear kids, one time more read with me. One night, Hansel and Gretel lose their way in the woods. Dear kids, you will read the page number 3 of your book Hansel and Gretel. it's your home assignment. See you next week with another reading lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.